Welcome to Pearson Electro Technology Center. My name is Shayne, and today this explanation is going to be talking about addressable fire alarm systems. So this addressable system right here is monitoring the ventilation as well as these magnetic locks, which are made for emergency exit doors. And it is composed of these different components. We've got strobes, pull stations. This is an override for the magnetic locks, heat detector, smoke detector, and as well as an audible device that is made for apartments. So now I'm going to demonstrate how the addressable system would monitor the circuit. So for example, I'm going to take out a component and see right now it's mapping the whole circuit, and it's going to try to find if a device is missing inside that circuit. There's a bit of a delay. It takes about 6 to 10 seconds usually. And as you can see, the panel has discovered that a device is missing. So now I'm going to put it back in. And our system is back to normal. So now that my system is back to normal, I'm going to demonstrate another type of trouble. I'm going to try switching the heat detector and the smoke detector and see how the system responds. Right now it's showing that the wrong device is plugged in and exactly what's happened. So now I'm going to switch them back. And now my system is back to normal.
Hi, I'm Jordan from Pearson Electro Technology Center, and today I'm going to be showing you the addressable fire alarm system. Currently in normal mode, mag locks are energized, ventilation is running, and what I'm going to do is simulate a fire alarm to show you what happens. Now, once the pull station was pulled, mag locks de-energized, ventilation stopped, and now within the panel, it gives you a detailed information about which address was tripped and which pull station had been activated.
So this pull station right here, if you've noticed, it's another color, it's blue, and this represents the pull station for the mag locks. In case of an emergency, if ever the panel happens to be faulty, this provides a manual override just for the mag lock itself in case of an emergency exit. So as you can see, the mag lock is de-energized, and it has nothing to do with the panel. It just overrides, and that's it. So now I'm going to reset it. And the mag lock is secure again.
So currently, on the addressable panel, what we've done is remove the faceplate, exposing the electrical components within it, and then we've hardwired a communication device from the panel to the computer, which is then running a program which monitors, diagnoses, and troubleshoots any problems.
All right, so Jordan is now going to open up the event log, which is a history of the events that have occurred throughout this addressable panel. For example, missing addresses as well as fire alarms.
For example, here you can see that a device was missing and then replaced shortly after, as well as resetting the system.
As well as it also demonstrates the time and date which the event has occurred. So here at the center, we like to emphasize on theory, electrical components, hardwiring, as well as troubleshooting, all in accordance with the Canadian Electrical Code and ULC standards. I'd like to thank Jordan for his skills.
Thank you, and we'd like to remind you that when working with electricity, it's best to abide by safety standards. Here at Pearson Electro Technology Center, we pride ourselves in abiding by those standards. And on behalf of us at the school, we'd like to thank you for watching.